Okay, Venice, Florida this week. Gold Rush Barbecue on the island. This has been here a long time, this building. In fact, I've got a postcard of it from the probably early 60s, from back when it was a Smack McDonald's. Not to be confused with the Golden Arches McDonald's. This was my hangout spot about a dozen years ago, probably 4 times a week for lunch. Usually get their lunch special. There's 2 couples that own it, and it is good. It is good. And as you can see, it's packed, and it's just barely noon, 12 o'clock on a Tuesday. We had to park out there across the road.
You see that what you're talking about? You see it?
I'm not sure if it's posted or not.
How are you two?
Good, how you doing?
Doing good. Let's start us off with some drinks.
This is my buddy Ivan from high school. Say hi to my dad, Ivan. He's gonna watch this. He hadn't seen you probably in
Been a
15,
while.
yeah, a lot of years.
What do you say, Dad? How you doing?
All right, I get a picture of the food when it comes.
This out, Dad.
All right, that's the
Nice.
pork sandwich with fries. This is like the $5.99 or whatever it is, lunch special. That's the pork sandwich without the bun. I get the green beans, cornbread's good. You got choice of sauces there. Alrighty then.